Hey guys, I just wanted to get started with a new video. This is a basic tutorial on how to get going with Firefox. Firefox has already been installed on the computer, so you're just opening it up for the first time. You've never used it before, so this is what you get. Kind of get all these different things, so we're going to go through the basics. Let's get started. There's browse with the best of them. The whole new Firefox, this is brand new, so I'm even learning some new stuff. So there's better performance, private browsing, screenshots, add-ons, customizing, and default browser. So let's go ahead and do that. So you make that your default browser. So you can go in and have a private browser. So it's a private window. Screenshots. You get screenshots of the screen and be able to use those in tutorials or other screens. Let's see, add-ons. Sure, right here you can do Control-Shift-A and that'll take you to the add-ons, which we'll talk about here in just a moment. And you can customize, which we'll show in just a few moments how to do the customization. So that's literally everything that we need to know. So we've touched on all the new stuff. We'll close that. Oops. Got it. Alright, everything else is done, so we're going to close this window. This is kind of a default thing that comes up. Now, I'm going to make this so you can all see it. First things first, I usually set up my home page fairly quickly in the starting. So I go to the customization right away. First thing, if you notice on some of the old browsers, you usually have like file menu, things like that. Well, you notice it's missing. Well, we're going to fix that. So you would go over here and somewhere where my mouse is, where it's blank, you want to right click there and you will want to hit menu bar. See how you get your file, edit, and view, and so forth there. You're going to want to do that one more time so you can get your toolbar. So you have both of those. That kind of makes it look a little neater. Next, you're going to go to where it says Tools. You're going to go to where it says Add-ons. That's another way to access your add-ons section. We're going to go to add-ons because we're going to make this look like really super cool. It's totally personalized. And get add-ons is the first thing that it comes up to. So scroll to the bottom. You can look at the ones that are already here, which are really great. But if you really want to look at all of them, go to See More Add-ons. And this takes you to the main add-ons website. Then you can close your add-on manager. Now they have them grouped according to bookmarks, password managers, ad blockers, smart shopping, productivity, and watching videos. There are a lot of different ways that you can do this, and all you have to do is really basically search for the ones you want. Now this may seem like a really super easy task, but actually it's a lot harder than you might think. Those are just the ones found in the Explore section. There's also extensions that you can put on there and themes. Themes are what change the background. This area up here, you can change it to make it look a little bit cooler. So first we're going to just try putting on just a simple theme. We're not going to do any like extensions or anything. So we're going to go to themes, and I'm not going to go searching for anything extensive. I'm just going to grab a basic one. So we're just going to go with Galaxy Rainbow. So click on that and click on Install Theme. Click OK, and you'll instantly see that the backdrop has changed. And you'll have this pretty picture and everything here. So that's really cool. Go back. Then I'm going to try another one and see if I can get it to open a new page. To do that, you right click on the one you want, and it'll pull up this little tab here where it says open link in new tab, and you can give new tab. Then you can install theme, and there, that way you can see the font a little better. So that previous one was kind of a dud. That happens. Next, we want to customize the look of this because, well, it looks pretty cool the way it is, but we want to have our own look. So let's go down to where it says customize. Click on that, and all you do is drag and drop. Drag and drop. That's what it does. So I do a lot of work where I like to get to my add-ons real fast, so I put my add-ons right there. I take off the library because I never use it. And then sidebars I never use. But I do print quite often from the page. So I'm going to put that up over here. And me personally, I just like my edit controls where I can find them. So there. And there. That's all you do for that. You can also change your toolbars. You can change the density. You can have it a touch one. You can have it compact. Or you can leave it normal. I'm going to leave it as a touch. It looks a little thicker that way. So. Now, there's another way to set up your home page. You go down, go to Tools, go to Options. And you want to start with your home page. Now, I already know which home page I use, so it's http:// and yes, you do actually have to put that in or else it won't work. .google.com. And I go through and double check all of my pages just to make sure. One of the settings I always do is make sure they always ask me for where I want to save my sat files so that they always go where I want them and never anywhere else. And I check my search. And again, this is search settings. It's either or. I just happen to like it separated, so the search is on one side, is on its own tab, and then the address bar is on its own. This is personal preference. Privacy and security is also personal preferences there. Remembering your past, your history, and everything, that's up to you. Scrolling through here is completely up to you. A lot of this stuff is personal preference. And if you have a Firefox account, well, more power to you. I never use it. So that takes care of all of the Mozilla Firefox basics. I hope to see you here again soon, and enjoy. Thanks. Bye-bye.